Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video, I will teach you how to buy online vouchers or online load using your TNG wallet. So before we're going to start this video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel to get more update about TNG wallet and TNG MasterCard. So let's begin. Actually, I already have a video I already created a video for that. You can watch and then I will explain to you while you are watching this video. Okay, so let's begin. So example, yes, of course, first need to open your Chrome and search for our merchants. You can buy here any kind of vouchers. What kind of SIM card are you using? Search Easy to Home and then open the website of Easy to Home, and then you need to close and scroll down. Wait for it, the page is still loading. Okay, here you need to press voucher. You can see there in your screen they have an option of voucher, so you need to buy the voucher for your SIM card, of course, and search which SIM card you are using or which voucher you want to buy for your SIM card. So example, for my side, I will search for China Mobile Kabayan. So I buy $20 vouchers Kabayan. Scroll down and search for buy now. Yeah, there we go. Press buy now. After you press buy now, you can see there have two options: guest checkout or returning customer. You need to press guest checkout also. Actually, it's automatically, you don't need to change anything. Just fill up your name, of course, your first name and last name, and your cell phone number, which cell phone number you are using, so you can receive the code in your SMS. So make sure you check your cell phone number twice, because to receive the 15-digit code from Easy to Home. And then put your email and then press TNG. It's actually automatic. Scroll down and here you need to check the terms and conditions. Check all and then confirm order. Once you press confirm order, the TNG app will automatically open. And skip. There we go. Just press check. No need to change anything. No need to touch anything. Just press check in the corner, the green check. And the transaction is completed. So you can see that. And then press back to merchant website. And then continue. Yes, press continue. Okay, after that, I already received the SMS. I can show you. So you'll receive the SMS from Easy to Home. The number you input there, you can see there have a 16-digit numbers. So this 16-digit number you need to input to recharge your voucher, of course. And then you can also check in your TNG in transaction history. You also receive the receipt from our merchants, which is $20, of course. And yes, thank you for watching our TNG video to how to pay in Easy to Home via TNG wallet. If you have any question or if you have any inquiry, you can call our customer service 3951-6268, or you can come to our head office in North Point, which is 20th floor Olympia Plaza, 255 Kings Road, North Point, or nearby Fortress Hill MTR station, exit B. So if you have any question, guys, please just comment below so we can answer you or can assist you happily. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.